We've got an amazing workflow update. Now you can have multi-select for forms, surveys, and even contains phrase and exact match option within triggers. This feature is going to allow your business to create more efficient workflows by enabling multi-select functionality for form submissions, surveys, and phrase matching triggers. I love the benefits of this update. First of all, this is going to streamline your workflow creation. Now your business can select multiple forms, surveys, or even phrases within a single trigger. This is going to enhance flexibility. This is going to support both contains phrase and exact match conditions. It's going to also save you a ton of time because this is going to simplify the workflow setup process. Now, as a business owner, you can set up a workflow that triggers notifications whenever any of your multiple customer feedback forms are submitted, without even needing to create separate triggers for each and every form. So first, this all happens in workflows. So let's go ahead into workflows under automation and then into workflows. And then let's go ahead and create a new workflow. So on this first one, we're going to use form submitted as the trigger. And now what you can see is after you select form submitted, some things are going to change. Now within those add filters, we're going to see some new options. What's great here is that you can now add multiple forms. You'll notice that there is a blue check mark next to 3 different forms, indicating that I have added 3 forms to this trigger. How great is that? This is going to work the exact same way with surveys. You're going to go ahead and click add that new trigger, and then you're going to say survey submitted. You're going to go ahead and add those filters. And then you'll also here be able to add as many surveys as you'd like to add. Same thing, you'll see the blue check marks as well as those surveys being added. And now you have multiple surveys that are all going to be triggered off of one trigger. Now, let's say that you want to go ahead and have something with your Facebook posts. Now, this will work with any type of conversation as well, but on this one, I'm going to show you through Facebook and Instagram events, since this is another one of our new features where you can have and track comments on your Facebook post. So you'll select that Facebook comment on the post, and from there, you'll be able to choose either contains phrase or exact match, as well as both options. And so now you can customize this, and this way you can automatically trigger those things that you need to do, those actions, based on only having one trigger that has multiple ways to get into that single trigger. This feature greatly enhances the efficiency and the flexibility of creating workflows within the CRM, saving you time and simplifying the setup process. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.